Higher order thinking skill. Question number 1. Will lions be affected if all plants disappear? The meaning of the question is, suppose due to some reason if all the plants die, what will happen to lions? Whether they will survive or whether they die. Let me answer this. Yeah. What I have written here is a simple food chain. You know what is food chain? Here, organisms are arranged in series, one after the other. And in this particular series, one organism is eaten by other organism. For example, plants are eaten by deer, deer is eaten by lion. Here, deer is a herbivore because it eats plants. Lion is a carnivore because it will eat the flesh of deer, that is of other animal. Now, the question is asked, what will happen to lions if all these plants disappear? Whether they survive, whether they will be alive. The answer is, if all these plants disappear, it will affect lions. Now you may think like, how lion is affected when plants disappear? Because lion doesn't eat the plants. But you should understand, lion depends on deer, but deer depends on plants. Suppose due to some reason all these plants die, at that time deer will not have food to eat. And there is possibility deer may start dying. If deer number decreases, if deer is not available in that particular forest, deer or any other herbivore. Herbivore means which eat plants. It can be deer, it can be buffalo, it can be zebra, like that. There are many examples of herbivores. So these herbivores will die when plants are not available for them to eat. When these herbivores like deer, when it dies, lion will not have any food to eat, and ultimately it will affect lion also. It may also start dying. So if plants disappear, it will affect all the animals including lion. When plants are not there, deer will not survive. If deer is not there, even the lion will not survive. Second question. Complete the following food chain with a crow in them. Okay, already they have mentioned crow here. We need to fill these. Okay, in the first food chain, they are given a blank space, and here crow should be considered as a herbivore. Remember, crow is an omnivore. It can eat both plant food as well as animal food. Okay, here crow should be considered as a herbivore, means here in this blank space given, we need to write the answer where crow should be considered as herbivore. Okay, like and write fruits of plants. You can see crow eating like papaya. It will also eat fruits of plants. Okay, so fruit of plant, and that is eaten by crow. When crow eat the fruit of plant, it is considered as herbivore. It is eating the food from plant source. Now, in the second food chain, we need to consider crow as a carnivore, means eating some other animal or insects. Okay, now, so we can consider here seeds of plants, or we can consider here grass. Okay, grass is eaten by grasshopper, and grasshopper is eaten by crow. So you can write here grasshopper, which is eaten by crow. So crow, as it is eating an insect, so it will act as carnivore. Carnivore means it is eating the flesh of other animal. So carnivore. Both these answers, D as well as higher order thinking skill answers, you will be writing in your notebook. I will forward those answers to your WhatsApp group.